During this National Work Zone Awareness Week, officials are unveiling a memorial dedicated to a construction worker who died on the job.
Please, folks, pay attention because we do not need to see any more tragedies happen on our roadways, specifically with the folks that are out there trying to make these roads better for everyone and make them safer.
Zach Morissette was killed 2 years ago along I-94 and 9 Mile. The memorial, which is a picnic table with his face engraved on it, is meant to bring peace to those he worked with. During this week, officials are also reminding everyone to keep their eyes on the road and follow work zone signs so families don't have to lose loved ones.